So guys, I came for a morning walk. I mean, it's my own farm though, so I just came for a walk. This is a jungle which we built. You can see the fog out here, and luckily there was some pit in which water was collected. I don't want it to dirty my car, so I was just trying to go inside the jungle and come from there and then just join this lane. And there was a tree log. I mean, not a log. A tree was cut, so you can just understand the stem was there. I didn't see it, and I just drove over it. Now it's stuck. Now I'm just confused how to take that out. I'm scared to call home and then call everybody. Meanwhile, after 30 minutes, I'll maybe call my brothers. So I found the bricks, guys. You can see how I'm carrying. Let's see if it comes out. So guys, I'm back with the bricks. You can see the terrain, forest. I mean, by the way, this is a self-grown one. But yeah, just walking the streets. And I hope by now you have seen the car. You see, this is that main track. This is jungle track I was trying to come out of. Putting the bricks here. Oh, now I'll show you the car. Where is it stuck? I just hope it's visible. You can see that log, right? That's where it's stuck. Just hoping it has not damaged any part of the car.